Turn left a little bit. Go up. Slowly. Slowly. Alright. Gosh. There you go. You're on the front right now. Go. Alright, you're clear. You should be able to clear that.
Don't worry, I'll knock that motherfucker down.
In between 3/4 and full. Shit, tight as fuck. Mirror already folded in. Look at this shit. What'd you say?
Might be starting to rain.
Yeah, it's sprinkling. Get folded in just like that one. Keep going slowly. You're about where you're on it. Go left a little bit. Go ahead. Very slowly now. You're on the left one now. Slowly. You don't want to overshoot it. Okay, you're almost up on the left. You're on the right. Okay. Is that good?
Yeah. Oh, that is sketchy.
Yeah, because like, yeah.
Like, yes, if I went over, I'd smash the fuck out of my rockers.
I know.
Okay, bye.
GoPro.
is tight. Pinstripes everywhere. My roof rack and my awning getting fucked up. Yes, sir. God damn. We off the trail. We off the map. Ain't shit on the fucking map except white. Yeah, this shit getting tore the fuck up. Oh, goddamn. What?
I said, watch my pinch wheel. Oh my god, bro. It doesn't want to stop.
Ooh, you're fucking close. Holy shit.
Jay, I told you, you fucking idiot.
Alright, forward.
It's not even about...
Forward.
Huh?
Forward.
What?
Go forward a little bit.
You said I'm close.
No, you're
I
past.
still have to drop off.
You're past your cross membrane.
I swear to God.
Slowly. Can you go right more? Hold up, pause.
Shit, my hill start is on.
Huh?
My hill assist is on. It's not letting me move. There we go.
Oh shit. Slowly. Keep going. Go left a little bit. There's a big ass rock to your front right. Left more. Alright, you're good. Go. Go.
Look at hill assist. Stop.
Oh. Slow. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good, bud. Just got finished with Bald Mountain / Big Levels. It was fairly fun. Took fucking 4 hours though, so Onyx was right. Total mileage on that, I think it said like 7-something miles. We're currently on Blue Ridge Parkway on the way to Flagpole Knob.
Well, fuck, it's like 1 hour.
Fogs / clouds is rolling in. I don't know what's our elevation right now. Give me 1 sec. We're currently at 3,100 feet. I don't know if that's accurate, but yep. Oh shit, you can barely see this shit. What the fuck? Well, we on the way to Flagpole Knob. ETA is at 10:30. It is currently 10:20, so 10 more minutes, 7 more minutes or so. Yep. It's fun. It's fun. 3 hours to Bald Mountain. Spent 4 hours completing that trail. Another hour and a half on the way over here while stopping to eat at Smiley's, which wasn't the greatest spot and fucked up my stomach. So yeah, right before.
Okay, now we're about to be at the switchback at the next right turn.
What he said, right before we got onto this trail, stopped at 7-Eleven to take a fat ass shit. Out here cooking pork belly on our ammo can DIY fire pit. Jared the chef.
Here.
We forgot to, or I forgot to marinate the pork belly, so we bought some Polynesian / Taco
We'll throw it in a
Bell.
Ziploc bag and just shake that shit up.
Yeah. Big brain motherfucker over here. Yep. We're somewhat at the top of Flagpole now, but there's already hella people up there. 8:30 in the morning. Just left campsite. I didn't get a chance to record at the top of Flagpole Knob. There was 2 people. I was camped up there, didn't want to stay too long because my car is loud. Probably woke him up, but
It has a photo icon on the map, so I wonder if there's something up there. Hold on.
Oh. We are now going to a reddish knob. I saw it. Little cozy campsite.